Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions with a side of humor. Today, we're diving into the world of steam mops. Yes, you heard it right, steam mops. Because who doesn't want to channel their inner cleaning ninja while battling germs? Let's kick things off with the price. The Bissell Steam Mop is priced at $92, while the Kenmore SM2050 is a more budget-friendly option at $89. Reviewers have noted that the Kenmore offers excellent value for its price, making it a popular choice for those looking to save a few bucks while still getting a quality cleaning tool. However, fans of Bissell appreciate the brand's reliability and effectiveness, often justifying the slightly higher price. Overall, if you're on a budget, the Kenmore might be the better choice, according to many reviews. Now, let's talk about sanitization. The Bissell Steam Mop claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs, which has been confirmed by multiple reviewers who praise its effectiveness in cleaning grout and sanitizing floors. Meanwhile, the Kenmore SM2050 also boasts a 99.9% dust removal rate. While some reviews raise concerns about its disinfecting abilities, many users still find it effective for everyday cleaning. So, it's a tie. Both products are essentially the germ-fighting avengers of the cleaning world. Next up is versatility. The Bissell Steam Mop comes with a built-in easy scrubber, making it ideal for tough spots. Reviewers love how it tackles grime on various surfaces, while the Kenmore SM2050 is a 2-in-1 steam mop that can clean floors and convert to a handheld cleaner. Users appreciate its lightweight design and versatility, though some have noted it struggles with certain surfaces like glass. Overall, both mops shine in this category, but Kenmore edges out for multi-use functionality. Now, let's talk steam control. The Bissell features a SmartSet digital variable steam control, allowing users to customize their cleaning experience. Reviewers rave about this feature, saying it helps them tackle different messes with ease. On the other hand, the Kenmore offers 2 levels of steam, which some users find limiting but still effective for general cleaning. So Bissell takes the lead here with its superior steam control options. Speed matters, folks. The Bissell Steam Mop takes about 30 seconds to generate steam, which many users appreciate as it allows for quick cleaning sessions. In contrast, the Kenmore SM2050 does not specify its steam generation time, leading some reviewers to express concerns about its efficiency. Bissell clearly wins this round for those who value quick readiness. And let's not forget accessories. The Kenmore comes with a variety of tools, including a bristle tool, angle tool, scraper tool, and 2 washable pads, making it a comprehensive cleaning kit according to many reviews. Meanwhile, the Bissell Steam Mop keeps it simple with just the mop and pads. While some users appreciate the minimalist approach, others feel that more accessories would enhance the Bissell's value. Hence, Kenmore wins this round for offering more tools. In summary, both the Bissell Steam Mop and Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop have garnered positive reviews, but they cater to slightly different needs. The Bissell is praised for its sanitization power and quick steam generation, while the Kenmore is lauded for its versatility and value for money. Users looking for a straightforward, effective cleaning tool may lean towards Bissell, while those wanting a multifunctional device might prefer Kenmore. So after all this steam-filled fun, which mop reigns supreme? The Bissell Steam Mop is perfect for hardcore germ busters, while the Kenmore SM2050 is your versatile cleaning companion. Smirks. It's like choosing between a superhero and a shape-shifting sidekick. If you're looking for a straightforward, germ-fighting machine, go with the Bissell. But if you want versatility and a bit of everything, the Kenmore is your best bet. So which team are you on? Team Bissell or Team Kenmore? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons. Until next time, happy cleaning, and may your floors always be spotless.